Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of color, the red and blue preset. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first, here I have some stock image I downloaded from the Unsplash or pixels.com, and after that make copy by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and after that going to the filter and the camera filter. So this one is another plugins for the Photoshop editing or photo editing, and here you are getting the load settings options, and from here I'll import the preset I made for you guys, and which is the red and blue, and importing this one and giving the result instead like that. So let's see the settings what I have done for you. Here the temperature -33 and tint -25, and the contrast that is -1, highlights -27, the shadow +9. That's good. And the texture that is +15, and the dehaze -5, and the vibrance +24, and the saturation -7. That's good. And going to the curve here, I didn't use anything, and in a detailing option I didn't use any detailing. And color mixture, hue, saturation, luminance, three things which is important. And hue, which color will be saturation, the percentage of the color, and the luminance, intensity of the color. Hue, I made the hue -54, and the orange that is +19, and the yellow -40, and the green +27, aqua +74, and blue that is -53. That's good. And the saturation panel, the blue saturation I made it +8, and the luminance +8 for the blue, and the green +5, and the yellow +10, and the orange +10. That's good. The color grading, three things, that is one is shadow color and the mid-tone color, another one highlight color. The shadow color value that is 336, and the saturation +19. Sometimes you didn't get this one, the panels here, the small icons which is the triangle, just click on that, you're getting the slider over there. The mid-tones that is 216, and the saturation 21, and the highlight that is 224, and the saturation 4. That's good. And going to the optics, didn't use that. Geometry and effects I didn't use. And here the calibration I use something. So here the tint of the primary, red primary, that is +37, and the saturation +11, the green primary +70, and the saturation 0, and the hue blue primary +25. That's good. And then hit OK. I'll provide you the preset download link in my video description. Please check it out. No password and other steps. If you want to download this one, you can download or you can use that, but you have to use the credit line of me, and there is no password, instead of using VPN if you need it. Okay, that's good. And after that we are getting the result. Let's try this one. Going to the filter and camera filter, and going to the load settings options, and using that things, the blue, modern red blue, you're getting the instant result of that, and hit OK. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I'm ASM signing out, and stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.